Hey, um, can I actually talk to you for a second? Yeah, thanks. Yeah, later, guys. Hey, um, so I texted you last night and you said, yeah, that's what you said. You said you would talk to me about it in the morning, and it's the afternoon, so are we gonna talk about it? Why are you just giggling? It's a really important question. Okay, okay. I just. What's so wrong with me wanting to know your answer? What do you mean it's obvious? It's not obvious. You're still supposed to ask and. What? No, I wasn't staring at you. You always say that. You do always say that, and I'm just staring at you aimlessly. I have a point when I stare at you. Well, I don't know what the point is, but there is surely a point when I'm looking at you. I can promise. So, so yeah. Are you gonna answer my question? If I like you, what do you mean? What? I always fall for your tricks. I shouldn't be. No, I shouldn't. I'm taller. I'm stronger. My voice is deeper. I've got bigger hands. Yes, these are all reasons why I should not be falling for your stupid little tricks, but I fall for them every single time without fail. And I think I'm starting to realize that last night was one of those tricks. Hey, hey, stop pushing me. Stop. Okay, okay. I'll go wherever you want. Just quit being a weirdo. Jesus. Okay, enough of the bullshit. Where the fuck are we? Boiler room? Boiler room. You brought me to the boiler room. Why would you bring me to the boiler room? What? Okay, I'm here in the boiler room like you asked. I'm walking down the steps deeper into the boiler room. God, it's hot in here, actually. Okay, I'll sit on the weird boiler room couch. Yeah, I'm listening. Okay, no peeking. I'm not putting a sock over my eyes. Your what? Shirt? Um, no, you. Oh, oh, um, yeah, yeah. I'll cover my face with this.